Judge Brett Kavanaugh is making the rounds on Capitol Hill today, meeting with senators as he gears up for a tough confirmation fight in a bitterly divided Senate. The president's Supreme Court nominee met with the vice president and the Senate's top Republican today. Kavanaugh's visit to Capitol Hill comes after a primetime reveal by President Trump last night. Kavanaugh was born and raised in Washington, D.C. He has spent years working with Republican on George W. Bush's team in the Florida recount fight and then in key positions in the Bush White House.
I will keep an open mind in every case, and I will always strive to preserve the Constitution of the United States.
The administration says that it hopes to get Kavanaugh confirmed by the start of the court's term, October 1st. Now, some hoped that this appointment would become a swing vote on the issues that divide conservatives and liberals. But University of Toledo law professor Lee Strang told 13 ABC today that the Kavanaugh pick actually puts Chief Justice John Roberts in that role.
So that will mean that Chief Justice Roberts will be the median voter on the Supreme Court, which would mean that his decisions, what either concurrences or dissents or majorities, will continue to be, the court's basic position.
And Strang says he expects Kavanaugh's views to be of the right of Chief Justice Roberts, but not as far right as Justice Clarence Thomas. President Trump's pick to the Supreme Court last night is the second of his term, and a University of Toledo law professor says depending on the health of Justice Ruth Bader Ginsburg, President Trump could have a major impact on the country for decades to come.
Especially if he has two terms, President Trump has the potential to transform the Supreme Court in a way we haven't seen since Franklin Roosevelt.
Roosevelt appointed 9 justices. It's believed Trump could get 3 or 4 picks if he does get that second term.